Yes.
Never mind. I taught him it. He only... Other paw. He's too excited.
Just walking our dog. And then we come across...
Oh, I want this one.
the goods. Nico, mi amigo. Today we are picking more blackberries. Yeah. Incoming. Yeah. Hey girl, go get Nico. Nico, Nico, come get her.
Oh, because he's doing this to their like yard.
That's awesome.
Mika. Looks like Mika.
Gotta stare at this thing. I don't know what it is.
Oh my gosh, she's like crouching. So creepy. She doesn't even care. and then she went away. And then the cat in my parents' yard will like swat him. Kenny just doesn't care.
No,
It's like not.
Kenny?
Are you aware of this big bad wolf behind you, Kenny? Oh, Nico's backing away now that she's looking at him. Did you see that?
Hey girl.
Are you getting bored of this? You're a friendly cat.
Oh, speaking of friendly.
Oh, she's getting
Right here. Gonna go all the way to here. With Nico! Come on, pee! Go pee!
Nope. Oh, so Pratt Lake's actually a longer hike?
Nico, come here. Come on, Nico.
Bigger. Nico, you look a little exhausted.
Go to mommy, not me!
Let's go this way, Nico.
Why are you shaking your head?
It's so cute.
Nico never drinks water, guys, but today he's drank about at least 5 times on the trail. Very proud of
It's a
him.
hot day.
And then today we made it to the top. Treat the views. Views. And then we're under a lookout. So. Cool.
Nico's happy to be chilling.
Yeah, he's.
All the water we poured on his head is dry. Nico, where are you? There he is. Good boy, Nico.
Alrighty. Nico. He stayed at home alone today for 2.5 hours outside of his crate. He did phenomenal. As a reward, he gets to watch us eat. What are you doing, Nico? Is he gonna eat the rice off your leg? Nico, look. Ah. Thea. Somebody's messy, so that means dog is to eat. Good boy.
Wow, are you gonna share? At your home?
Dog and Sophia and me on a walk. Mike!
Are we going to geese? Nope, it's a geese. It's a geese. It's a geese. No, it's a geese. Ready? Nico, spin. Good boy, Sophia, spin. Good job. You want to give him a treat? Here. Good job, Nico. Here. Look. You're going to lick it. Oh, okay. Good job. Okay, now, Nico, jump. Good boy, Sophia, jump. Jump, 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 jump. 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 Good job.
Wait here, buddy. Wait for the boy to do his work. Good boys. Good boys. Spin. Nico, spin. Spin, buddy. Nico, spin. Nico, lay. 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 Nico, bang. Good bang. Lay. Sorry, buddy. Not yours. Dochi, come here. He don't like you, man. Dochi, come here. That's why he hates you, buddy. What are you into? We got ostrich. Yeah, we got ostrich. We got alligator. We got anteater. Anteater? I ain't never seen no anteater. No, shit. You gotta get some of the mess at lion blue. I know. Y'all got some lion blue in there? Y'all got some bleach. Do it again, buddy. Go say bye to your friends. It's our last day here, buddy. Go. Go. See you next time, buddy. No? All right.
Were you pawing? Ah! Nico, good morning. Good morning. Ah!
What's up, man?
What's
up, man?
You want to go for a little walk?
Oh, whoa. You good, man? Just... It's a lot of panning, buddy. We back.
Oh, yeah, he is panning so much. Nico, come here. Daniel, what's going on?
I saw this dog on Reddit, and he looked like my dog.
What do you guys think? Do they look the same?
Yup. The vet said Nico didn't need a muzzle today, y'all. What a good boy! You're a good boy. Yes, you are.
Choco pie, choco pie. What you think, Nico? Choco pie, choco pie. Nico. Nico. Okay, let's go, Gus.
Come on, Nico. Let's go.
What you wearing?
My running vest that my favorite mother and whatever your mom, I don't know what to call it.
Oma.
Yeah, Oma got me this.
What happened?
For my foot. Good job, Nico.
What are you guys doing? Nico's sulking because his friend's not here. Come on, Nico, let's go. Come on. Protesting. Come on, Nico. Cat. Dog. Nico.
Inside.
Mm-hmm.
Scooter outside.
Nico, he never lets me do that to him.
Nico.